So guys, this is part 3 of my studio build, and in this video I'm doing the block work and the brickwork up to roof height. So guys, I'm on with the brickwork now. So these are the new brick. These are Old Thorndale multi. These are what I built the garage out of, and a back extension. Now, as you can see, if I put them there, look at the size difference in that. There's honestly, if you can see that, there's like 5mm in that. So most of these bricks, the tolerances in these brick are like 5mm, 2mm, 3mm. So every time, some are bigger, some are smaller. So I've got to keep my eye on my bond, otherwise I can end up over here if I use a smaller one. So I've got to open up a little bit just to keep my perps nice and straight. And another thing that I've noticed with these new ones, and they are the same brick, Old Thorndale multi, the shading's slightly different to the originals that I bought, but I bought those like 12-13 years ago. So they are a stock brick. They're pretty rough looking when you look at them. They're like an old clay. I mean, look at that one. You know, what's this one here? You know, they're like an old, they're mimicking like an old clay common that you'd see on an old 17th century building. Again, they're supposed to be 65mm, but some of them are 70mm. I've had, you know, in this run here, I've had like measured it was 70mm. So, you know, it is what it is. That's the sort of brick these are. So I'll crack on now. And I'll set a few dominoes. Like I say, it's about, it must be 5 years since I actually did any brickwork. I did an extension for a friend, a wraparound, as a favour, but I haven't done any brickwork since then. But I do enjoy it. So again, I'll watch those tolerances on them brick, and I'll keep my eye on the perk, keep my eye on the bond. Still want it half bond. Slightly open up a bit. I mean, back in the day, when I was on site, I think me and my dad used to use profiles. They came about back in, would have been 87. We used to use some profiles called Blakes. Before that, all corners were hand built. basically like what I've done here, but I haven't got any profile, so I've just built my corners traditionally. That's better mortar. What's happening is as well, I'm having to keep adding water to it because it's drying out, knocking it up. The wind's blowing as well, that doesn't help. So I just started to creep with it on, pull it back. I mean, look how rough that one is. That's a really rough one, but I'm going to put it in anyway. So guys, that's the block work and the brickwork done for now, and now we're going to crack on with the roof. But before we crack on with the roof, I'm going to do a product review. Snakebite by Vivid Pyrotechnics, but I'm going to do this inside and I'll do a bit more in-depth review on Snakebite. So guys, Snakebite by Vivid Pyrotechnics, 36 shots, 994 grams NEC, tube sizes 30mm, 994 grams, 36 shots. It's packed with powder. What we're going to do now, I'm going to take a look at the video. Just have a look at the colours in this. You've got reds, you've got green peonies, you've got blue peonies, you've got lemons, you've got plum pinks, you've got beautiful thick mine lifts with stars on. You've got that spinning to billion. Just bursts on it are absolutely stunning, and that dirty gold dross that comes out of each tube, of each lift is unbelievable. Take a look at this. What did you think of that Snakebite by Vivid Pyrotechnics? What we'll do now, we'll slow it right down and we'll break it down bit by bit. So first row here, as you can see, like I said to you, that mine lift with those red stars, then that spinning to billion, bursts into those red peonies with that dirty gold dross. And the height on these and the bursts are huge. So that's why I say you need plenty of space. Now here we've got the blue star with the blue mine lift, spinning to billion to golden brocade. Here we've got the lemon, one of my favourite colours this. That lemon spinning to billion. Then we've got the green here, so we've got the green peony underneath. Green star should I say, breaking into that green peony. That dirty gold. on the tips with those peonies. Here we've got that plum pink. Really vivid colours in this product. And again, that finale, look at those thick mines with those spinning tourbillons. Just breaks into that dirty gold. And it literally hangs to the floor. Literally. Brilliant. So there you have it, guys. Snakebite by Vivipyrotechnics, 36 shot, 994 grams of NEC, 30mm tubes. Fantastic piece. Like I say, you need a big area to fire it in. If I had any criticism with that particular one that I fired, if you look at on the finale, on the final volley, you'll see there was a plum pink star, rogue star in that. That's the only criticism I had with that particular one I fired. I have been told by Vivipyrotechnics that they have fired it and, you know, everything's A-okay. So if you wish to purchase this, don't forget, it's available on our website. I'll leave a link down below. Click on that link. It'll take you through. That's if you want to buy it. And again, guys, thanks again for watching. Don't forget, please like, please do subscribe, and don't forget to hit that notification bell for more up and coming product videos and build videos. I'm getting to the end of my build now. There'll be a couple more, and then we'll be straight back on to doing proper product reviews. So thanks again for watching, and I'll see you all in the next. Cheers, guys.